For small campuses, protecting their most valuable asset and finding the right balance between space management, deferred maintenance, and funding is critical to moving the campus forward in the face of serious demographic and financial challenges. New space continues to be added despite stagnant enrollment, and capital investments into existing space are declining, while facilities are costing more to operate. Facing these challenges with limited available resources creates a smaller margin of error in decision-making. So Sightlines created the Integrated Facilities Program to help small campuses overcome these challenges with a comprehensive, data-driven view of their facilities performance and ongoing tactical support for strategic initiatives. Find out how the Integrated Facilities Program can enhance your campus by providing the data, analytical tools, benchmarking context, and strategic support needed to optimize facilities investments. Visit sightlines.com to learn more.